I deal with engineers, engineering managers. They're all about the numbers, the proof. And luckily, the company I work for, and I'm not promoting them now, but the company I work for, I really believe in their technology, and it really works. So it's very easy for me. I don't like the word sell, but our products work, and so it's easy for me in the beginning to start with getting test work by the engineers. And once they see the results, then it's easy. But then once you go over to procurement, they're all about profit and margins. So then they're pushing you for price, and then it's T's and C's. So there you have to establish a whole different relationship. And then after that, you think, okay, I'm probably getting the order this afternoon. And then as we all know, things change a lot in this industry. Then you'll get the CEO or the owner of the company wanting a more detailed explanation in terms of ROI and risks involved. So it's different. It's a difficult question for me to answer because you have to change your approach the whole time. You have to initially, be the girl that brings the donuts, and be the typical salesperson, or take them for wine, and then it goes into, once you've built that trust, it's now to become credible. Hope that answers